Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern that has gained significant attention in recent years. It cycles between periods of eating and voluntary fasting, allowing the body to utilize its energy stores more efficiently. The focus is on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. This approach can help simplify meal planning and reduce the stress associated with traditional dieting. It's not a diet in the traditional sense where you have to count calories or restrict certain food groups. Instead, it's more of a timed approach to eating where you have specific windows for meals and fasting periods. Intermittent fasting has been practiced for centuries, often for religious or spiritual reasons. Many cultures have incorporated fasting into their traditions. It was often used for religious or spiritual reasons, serving as a way to cleanse the body and mind. Today, it's gaining popularity for its potential health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolic health, and even longevity. Many people find intermittent fasting easier than traditional dieting because it doesn't require constant food restrictions. This is because you restrict the time you eat, not the types of food you eat. This flexibility can make it easier to stick to in the long term. It can be a sustainable lifestyle change for some, offering a balanced approach to eating and fasting. However, it's important to remember that intermittent fasting is not for everyone. Individual needs and health conditions vary. You should always consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. This ensures that the approach is safe and suitable for you. There are many different ways to do intermittent fasting. Some popular methods include the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours each day and eating only during an 8-hour window. This is one of the most popular and sustainable methods. Many people find it easy to incorporate into their daily routine because it often just means skipping breakfast and eating lunch and dinner within the 8-hour window. This method can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve metabolic health. It's also flexible enough to fit into various lifestyles, whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent. The 5-2 method. With this method, you eat normally for 5 days a week. Then, you restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This approach allows for more freedom on most days while still providing the benefits of intermittent fasting. It's particularly appealing for those who find daily fasting too restrictive. On the low-calorie days, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods to ensure you're getting essential vitamins and minerals. This method can be a great way to ease into intermittent fasting if you're new to it. Eat, stop, eat. This involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you might eat dinner on Monday, then not eat again until dinner on Tuesday. This method can be challenging, but offers significant benefits, such as improved insulin sensitivity and cellular repair. It's crucial to stay hydrated during the fasting period and to listen to your body. Some people find that this method helps them break through weight loss plateaus and develop a healthier relationship with food. Alternate day fasting. This method involves alternating between days of eating and fasting. You can choose to eat normally on eating days or slightly reduce your calorie intake. This approach can be quite effective for weight loss and improving metabolic health. However, it requires a high level of commitment and may not be suitable for everyone. On fasting days, it's important to stay hydrated and to consume low-calorie beverages like herbal tea or black coffee. This method can also help you become more mindful of your eating habits and improve your overall relationship with food. The best method for you depends on your individual preferences and lifestyle. It's important to experiment and find what works best for you. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist can provide valuable insights and help you tailor a plan that suits your needs. Remember, the goal is to find a sustainable approach that you can maintain in the long run. Tracking your progress and journaling about your experiences can also be helpful in identifying what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key with intermittent fasting. Choose a method you can stick with long-term to experience its potential benefits. Whether it's improved energy levels, better focus, or weight management, the benefits of intermittent fasting can be significant. Sharing your journey with a community or on social media can also provide additional motivation and support. Stay committed, be patient, and give your body the time it needs to adjust to this new way of eating. There are many myths surrounding intermittent fasting. Some people believe that intermittent fasting will slow down your metabolism. However, studies show that short-term fasts do not significantly affect metabolism. In fact, some studies show that intermittent fasting can boost metabolism slightly. Another common myth is that you'll lose muscle mass. While any calorie restriction can potentially lead to muscle loss, studies show that intermittent fasting is generally as effective as traditional calorie restriction for maintaining muscle mass. It's also important to remember that intermittent fasting is not a magic bullet. It's not a quick fix for weight loss or health problems. It's simply a tool that can be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Intermittent fasting is a relatively new area of research. However, there are a growing number of studies that suggest it may offer some health benefits. For example, some studies show that intermittent fasting can help with weight loss. This is likely because it can help to reduce overall calorie intake and promote fat burning. Other studies suggest that intermittent fasting may improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. While more research is needed, early evidence suggests that intermittent fasting may offer some promising health benefits. Section 5. Health benefits of intermittent fasting. In addition to potential weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity, intermittent fasting has been linked to several other health benefits. This eating pattern, which alternates between periods of eating and fasting, can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you allow it to focus on other vital processes. Heart health. Intermittent fasting may improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation. These changes can lower the risk of heart disease, which is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. By maintaining a healthy heart, you can enhance your quality of life and longevity. Brain health. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may boost brain function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. This could be due to the increase in brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones. Improved brain health can lead to better memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Cellular repair. Intermittent fasting may promote cellular repair processes including autophagy, where your body cleans out damaged cells. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and preventing the accumulation of damaged cells, which can lead to various diseases. By enhancing autophagy, intermittent fasting helps in rejuvenating your body at a cellular level. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in the body. Lowering inflammation can help in managing conditions like arthritis, asthma, and even certain types of cancer. By reducing inflammation, you can improve your overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of intermittent fasting on human health. While the current findings are promising, ongoing studies will help to clarify the potential benefits and risks. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Section 6. Potential risks and drawbacks. While intermittent fasting can be safe for many people, it's not suitable for everyone. Some potential risks and drawbacks include headaches, which are common when first starting intermittent fasting, often due to dehydration or caffeine withdrawal. Difficulty concentrating, as fasting can temporarily affect concentration due to changes in blood sugar levels. Low blood sugar, which is more common in people with diabetes or those taking blood sugar lowering medications. And eating disorders, as intermittent fasting can be triggering for those with a history of disordered eating. It's crucial to listen to your body and stop fasting if you experience severe or persistent side effects. Consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. Section 7. Intermittent fasting and weight loss. Many people turn to intermittent fasting as a way to lose weight. While it's not a guaranteed weight loss solution, it can be an effective tool. Intermittent fasting can promote weight loss by reducing calorie intake. By limiting eating windows, you naturally consume fewer calories throughout the day. It can also boost metabolism, as some studies suggest that intermittent fasting can slightly increase your metabolic rate. Additionally, it promotes fat burning because when you fast, your body starts burning fat for energy. Remember, sustainable weight loss involves a combination of factors, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. Section 8. Intermittent fasting and other lifestyle factors. Intermittent fasting can be complemented by other healthy lifestyle choices to maximize its potential benefits. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water and unsweetened beverages during fasting periods to stay hydrated. Focus on consuming nutrient-rich foods when you do eat. Whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats are best. Combine intermittent fasting with regular physical activity for improved fitness and overall well-being. And don't forget about stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact health, so engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. A holistic approach to health, incorporating intermittent fasting alongside these lifestyle factors, can lead to sustainable, long-term well-being. Section 9. Conclusion: Making informed decisions about intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern that can offer potential health benefits, from weight loss to improved heart and brain health. However, it's essential to approach it with a balanced perspective. While research is promising, it's not a magic solution and may not be suitable for everyone. It's crucial to consult with your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Remember, listen to your body, start slowly, and find a sustainable approach that fits your lifestyle. Intermittent fasting can be a valuable tool for improving your health when used safely and responsibly.